Hello friends! If your hips feel tight but you don't know where to start, then this beginner yoga practice is perfect for you. My name's Jillian and I'll be guiding you through this flow. We'll get started in child's pose. Widen your knees out on the mat, bring your toes together, stretch your arms forward, sink your hips back, lower your forehead onto the mat. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale, release. And walk your hands over to the right. Stack your left hand on top of your right hand if that feels okay for you. Keep pressing your hips back. Feel the stretch along your left side. Keep breathing. And walk your hands over to the left side. Stack your right hand on top of your left hand. Feel the stretch along your right side. Keep pressing your hips back. Take a deep breath. And come up to tabletop position. Your shoulders will be over your wrists and your hips will be over your knees. Engage your abs. We'll do cat-cows. So tilt your tailbone up, drop your belly, lift your chest. You can look at the wall in front of you or you can look up at the sky. Just make sure you're not cranking your neck. And cat. Tilt your tailbone under, arch your spine, press through your hands. Look at your belly or your knees. Inhale, cow. Tilt your tailbone up. Exhale, cat. Arch your spine. Do this a few times at your own breath. You can make this organic by making some big circles with your hips. You can also do figure eights. If you're doing circles, switch directions. And come back to center. Widen your knees out on the mat and bring your toes together. Come forward onto your palms and lift your chest. And exhale, come back into child's pose, sinking your hips back. Inhale, come forward, lift your chest. Exhale, come back into child's pose. Do this a few times at your own breath. This is an active hip opener. It helps you connect your breath with your body, which is great for reducing stress. And come back to center. Bring your knees back under your hips. And downward facing dog. Tuck your toes under, lift your hips, press your heels down, press through your palms. You can shake your head out, yes and no. Maybe walk out your heels, letting your hips fall from side to side. And press both heels down. step your left foot between your hands. If it takes you a couple steps, that's totally fine. It's normal. And drop your right knee down for a low lunge. Lift your arms by your ears. Take a deep breath here. Drop through your hips. Keep breathing. And drop your right hand to the inside of your left foot and open your left hand up towards the ceiling for a twist. Keep pressing your hips down. Open your chest. And lower your left hand down. Put the weight into your hands. Tuck your back toes under and step back into downward facing dog. We'll switch sides. So you're going to step your right foot between your hands. If it takes a couple of steps, that's totally fine. Drop your back knee down and bring your arms up by your ears. Press through your hips. Lift your chest. And drop your left hand down for a twist. Opening up your chest. Bring your right hand towards the sky. Keep pressing through your hips. Remember to breathe. And drop your right hand down. Tuck your back toes under for downward facing dog. Take a deep breath here. Inhale and exhale, release. Step your feet forward for forward fold. Your feet should be about hip width apart. You can bend your knees and grab onto opposite elbows, swaying side to side. Maybe shake out your head, yes and no. Remembering to breathe. And drop your hands down. Slowly roll up. Extended mountain. Press through your feet and bring your arms overhead. Lift your chest. Maybe do a back bend. And forward fold. Step your feet back for downward facing dog. Take a deep breath here and exhale, release. Step your right foot between your hands. Drop your back heel to a 90-degree angle and rise up for warrior two. You're going to sink through your hips. Bend into your right knee and bring your arms out into a T. Look over your front hand. Feel your hips opening. This is a great hip opener. If you want, you can wiggle out your fingers. And straighten your right knee. Reach towards the front of the room as far as you can. And drop your right hand down, maybe to your shin, your ankle, or if you're really flexible, to the floor. Whatever works best for you. Stretch your left arm towards the sky, opening up your hips. Remembering to breathe. And remember, if you need a break, you can always come down into child's pose. Bend into your right knee for warrior two. Take a deep breath here. Drop your left hand down, flip your right palm over, and bring your right palm towards the sky for reverse warrior. Keep bending towards your right knee. Take a deep breath here. And cartwheel your hands down. Step back into downward facing dog. Step your left foot between your hands. Bring your right foot back into a 90-degree angle and rise up for warrior two. Bend into your left knee. Bring your arms out into a T. Look over your front fingers. Maybe wiggle out your fingers. Open up your hips. And straighten your left knee. Reach forward for triangle pose. Drop your left hand down to your calf, your ankle, maybe the floor, whatever feels good for you. Stretch your right hand towards the sky, opening your hips and your chest. This is a strong hamstring stretch as well. You might be feeling it. And rise up, warrior two. Bend into your left knee. Flip your left palm over. Drop your right hand to your right thigh and lift your left palm up towards the sky. Keep bending into your left knee. Take a deep breath. And cartwheel your arms down. Step back into downward facing dog. Take a deep breath here. And exhale, release. Step your right foot forward. And square your feet towards the side of the mat, pointing your feet towards the side of the mat. And forward fold. You can grab onto your toes and pull yourself in. You can shake out your head, yes and no, loosening out your neck. Take a deep breath here. And walk your hands forward, planting your hands and step back to downward facing dog. Walk forward to the front of the mat and come on down. Take a seat. Bring the bottoms of your feet together for butterfly pose. Drop your knees, lift your chest. You can use your elbows to press your knees open. And if you want, you can fold forward or you can keep your chest up. This is a great hip opener. And rise up. Come on down to your back. Whatever way you can do that, there's not really a smooth way. Bring your arms out into a T or cactus arms. Drop your legs to the left. You can look over your right hand or up at the sky, whatever you prefer. You might be feeling a strong stretch along your side. And bring your legs up, switch sides. Drop your legs to the right as you look over your left hand. And bring your legs up. Cross your right ankle over your left quad. You can use your right hand to press your right knee out for figure 4 pose. Your other option is to pull your left thigh in to make this a little bit more of a deep hip opener. You might be feeling a stretch along your glute also. Remember to breathe. And switch legs. Drop your left foot down, drop your right foot down, cross your left ankle over your right quad, and pull your right thigh in or leave it down, whatever works better for you. Press your left thigh open with your left elbow. Feel that stretch along your glute. Take a deep breath. And release your feet back onto the mat. Hug your knees into your chest. Grab onto the bottoms of your feet for happy baby pose, pulling your knees into your armpits. You can rock side to side if that feels okay for your spine. Maybe give the bottoms of your feet a little massage. Opening up your hips. And then release this. Stretching your legs out on the mat, stretching your arms out on the mat. Taking a deep stretch. And bring your arms along your sides for final Savasana. Let your feet fall open. Let your hands relax. Maybe close your eyes. Getting heavy into the mat. We'll be here for about a minute, but stay here as long as you can. And roll over onto one side, waking yourself up. Rise up into a comfortable seat. Bring your hands to your heart. I hope your hips feel a little bit more open Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.